You guys, so if you've seen this type of videos on your timeline, maybe on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, and you enjoy it and you like it and you want to create this type of videos, because honestly, people that make these videos are making tons of money. Take for instance, if you check this channel on YouTube, you can see that they make this type of videos, and you can see the videos have very high quality and the pictures are very beautiful and they are very appealing, and a lot of people enjoy it because it's very relaxing to watch. And if you check them out on Social Blade, you can see that they are making tons of money making this video by simply uploading this video. And the best part is it is easy, super easy to make this type of videos, and you just need your phone. You don't need any laptop to make these AI cozy home videos. So if you're something you're interested in, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, because on this channel we teach about anything make money from home, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to make this video right now. So to get started, you have to mirror the type of image you want. So what I'd like to do is to go to the channel that I get the inspirations from. Then I'm going to go through the channel to check out the videos, and then I target the videos with thousands to millions of views, because I know if those images are appealing and then I recreate them, then they have high chances of doing well as well on my own channel. So what I'm going to do is just to watch the video to a particular extent where I can take a screenshot of it, and once I've taken the screenshot, then I will go to ChatGPT. Guys, with ChatGPT you don't need to worry, even if you don't know how to generate the prompt. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT this prompt. You are an expert photographer who is very good at generating good prompts to generate high quality images using AI. Please go through this image and give me the exact prompts to generate this image in a very high quality that will be very appealing to viewers. So once I have done that, ChatGPT is going to give me the prompt, and it has given me this prompt. So I'm going to copy these prompts now, and I'm going to go to the AI tool that is going to do everything for us. Guys, you don't need to learn how to do editing, because previously making this video, after you have generated your images and everything, then you have to go and take out the background, go to CapCut, do the editing and put in sound effects and all those stuff. So that one is a very long process and it is very time consuming. But this one I'm going to share with you using just one tool. You don't need to worry. On this tool, you're going to generate the image and also transform it to a video to give you the desired result you want. So once you have gotten all this together, then you're going to go to Grok. So if you don't know Grok, just go to your Google and search for grok.com. Then you're going to open an account and you're going to paste that prompts that you got from ChatGPT here. And as you can see, it's going to give you something. As you can see, it's giving something that is very, very appealing and beautiful. So it's now left for you to choose the one that appeals to you the most, the one you like and you want to recreate. Then you choose it. So I think I'm going to go with this one. So what I'm going to do now is to click make video so that it can be transformed from picture to video. And as you're clicking make videos, you're going to tell it what you want it to do. For this video, we want the snow to be falling and the fire to be going up, like it should be alive, so and not be static. So all of that, anything you want, you just ask it to do it and it's going to do it to the video. So we're going to give you the right prompts to do that. So I asked it to act as a good animator to make this image move from left to right, showing the different corners of the room in a medium pace while the flames are going up and the snow is falling outside of the window. Add a fire crack sound to show the fire is on, and an ambient music to give a calm and cozy effect to the video. So you can see, if you look through the prompt, you can see that I gave it exactly what I want it to do. I want it to act as a good animator. That's number one. And number two, I want it to make the image move from left to right on a very medium pace, that is not too fast, not too slow, and make the fire to be alive, like going up. Then the snow outside will be falling and there should be a crack sound, because when you watch these videos you can hear a crack sound on the videos, and then it should give us an ambient music that will give this cozy and calm effect to the video. So I'm going to ask it to make video and it's going to make this video for me. So as you can see, we just used one tool to generate this video and it is cool, it is ambient, people enjoy it, they love it, because some people even use this type of videos to sleep when they want to relax. So this is basically how you can do it, and it's going to give you the exact results you have in mind. Remember that this is AI tool, so if you don't really get everything you want, you keep iterating until you get the exact thing you want. So if you found value on this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. Really appreciate all of you for your support. And if you're looking for how you can make money online using Google AI tools, check out these videos. And please, if you want to make any job application any moment soon, I've prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle that can help you. All you have to do is just to customize the templates to suit the job to stand a better chance. The best part is they're all ATS friendly, so you don't need to struggle with that. So you can grab one with the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.